In DAX, a column can be filtered or cross-filtered. It is filtered if the filter context contains an explicit filter on that column. It is cross-filtered if the column is filtered, but the filter comes as a consequence of some other filter on other columns. So a column can be filtered or cross-filtered, and that is why DAX offers you two functions, isFiltered and isCrossFiltered, to check the status of the filter on a column. Let's see some examples. First, I use Calculate Table to place a filter on the product color column. Product is a table that is linked through a one-to-many relationship with sales, and I check isFiltered on product color. As you see, the result is true because product color is explicitly filtered in the filter context. If you check isFilter over sales quantity, the result is false because sales quantity is not being filtered by my Calculate Table. But if I check isCrossFilter product category, then the result will be true because the filter on the color cross-filters the product category. Not only it cross-filters product category, it basically cross-filters the entire product table because a filter on one column cross-filters the entire table. That is why isCrossFilter can be used with a column, but also with a table, and the result is the very same. And the same happens with sales. A filter on product, being on the one side of a one-to-many relationship, is propagated to sales. Therefore, if you check isCrossFilter sales, the result is true. If we place the filter on the other side of the relationship, so we place the filter over sales quantity, the results will be different. If I check isFiltered sales quantity, as you might expect, the result is correctly true. But if I check isFiltered product color, the filter is on the many side of the relationship, so sales quantity does not filter product color, and the result is false. If I check isCrossFilter sales, of course, the result is going to be true, because a filter on sales quantity cross-filters the entire sales table. But when we look at the product table, both at product category or the entire product table, they are not cross-filtered, because the filter being placed on the many side, it does not propagate to the one side, unless you enable bidirectional cross-filter. The same query executed by also enabling bidirectional cross-filter between the two tables changes the result of the last two calculations. All the beginning is the same, but it now is cross-filter both product category and product returns true, because as an effect of the bidirectional cross-filter, a filter on sales quantity is propagated to the product table.